just made $137 trading Euro USD today during London session with my stupid simple strategy. Let me go to the trade breakdown for you guys. Let's go. So guys, I forgot to turn on the microphone sound button on my screen record. So now I have to do a voiceover. Please don't mind. I'm sorry. Please, thanks.
So now this is the 4-hour chart. It is somehow overextended, or rather it's overextended, but I hate that word because you can never know when price is overextended or not. It can still be overextended and still push up further, but it doesn't matter though. We'll do an analysis together. You see, it can still push up more, but it doesn't matter. Let me do my. You can see that higher highs were being made, then later bearish order flow preceded. You can see that it is breaking the lows and maintaining the highs. You can see it lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Is the preceding market structure here. So I anticipated to go short in that recent leg, that recent 4-hour leg. I want to draw my PD range for you guys, my premium and discount range. That is it there. That's the premium and discount range. So now this is my premium zone. Let me mark it out with red, or let's red. Okay, that now is blue. This one is red. Yeah, red. So this is the premium and discount zone. The blue one is the premium, while the red one is the discount. So as price pulled into the premium, I decided to look for a short entry to take price lower. You get? So drop it to the 15-minute time frame. You can see that price was pushing up, making higher highs, higher lows, but later it then went down. It broke or caused a choke, hence providing my entry. So you can see price broke structure up, uptrend structure, broke structure up again, then formed a choke, but as I like to call it, a TC. You get? Formed a TC. So that's it. You can see it. You can even see some imbalance being left. That's my supply zone where I want to short from. I want to short from that supply zone. You get? But it's too big. So I just mark my PD range for the 15-minute time frame, and that's all I did. You can see the demand zone, the supply zone rather. You can see it. So I just decided to look for short entry while removing the supply zone because it is too large. You can also see some imbalance being left. See some imbalance. That gap between those two red lines, between the red candles low and the other red candles high, that is the gap there. So price filled the gap, and hence I went to the 1-minute time frame to look for my entry and liquidation criteria, which was pretty simple. Trading is simple but not easy. It's easy to make money, but where the real problem lies is where being disciplined and staying consistent year after year, month after month, and giving it time. You get? On the 1-minute time frame, these are my liquidation criteria, but I will not go too in-depth in them yet. So price swept my liquidity, my liquidation criteria. As price swept it, I got my entry, which gave me the 2 RR I was looking for. You can see the entry. So sweet. Price action was sweet on that day. I can't lie. You know what I'm saying? See it now. Price tap it. Price won't run for more than 2 RR, but my TP is 2 RR. So easy peasy. I was never on the chart, so that was my biggest takeaway from this trade. It was that what? If you enter a trade, just leave there and go and relax. Come back after TP has been hit. So this is the proof of the entry on my MT5 funded nest free trial account. I made $167 after a small loss, making it $137. So this is the proof. You can see it. Yes, that's it. Commission eats my profits lightly, but it is what it is. So you can see the trade. So sweet. This is the proof of entry. You see it. So that was it. Yeah, it was more than 2 RR also. It was like 3 to 4. I can't see, but you get the point. You get the point. Yes. So that's it. Trading is simple. I said it, I will say it again. Trading is very, very simple. This part tested my patience. Price tap there, push again. I was saying yes, it's already going. The price came back again to feel it. I said, ah. Then price pushed down. I said, okay, now it's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go. The price pulled back again. I said, what is this? I said, let me just leave it. I just left it. I just went to do other things. As I came back, TP smash. Ah, so sweet. So just leave the trade. Whenever you enter a trade, just leave the chart and go and do something else. Put your stop loss, put your TP. Then leave the chart. Let the freaking chart stay alone. Leave it alone. Focus on something else. That's key. That's basic. Price will test them multiple times. If I was on the chart, I might be tempted to close or do something because it was not moving. But I let my edge play out, and indeed it's played out. So that's the key. Give yourself space. Give your trade room to breathe. Don't choke your trade. Give it room to breathe. You get what I'm saying? That's the key. So now let's do a trade recap, a quick recap, shall we? So 4 hour was overextended. That is basic. Well, I've said that before. Then it was building a bullish order flow, but later turned bearish. Like bearish after a 4 hour choke. It started turning bearish. Bearish order flow started proceeding. Bearish order flow. You get? So that's it. Bearish order flow started proceeding. So now the 15 minutes caused a choke lower. You can see the choke, then pull back into my premium, which is the best price to sell from. So I went to the 1 minute, look for my entry and liquidation criteria. And after I got that, price smack, or should I say, smashed my TP rapidly. I hope you gain value from this. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks.